back to another video. It's Kim here, your average vegan mama, and today I'm going to share with you two awesome oatmeal recipes. Now, I absolutely adore oatmeal. I have it at least 6 days of the week in the morning. Sometimes I'll even have it for dinner. Baked oatmeal for dinner is delicious. And I truly do love oatmeal. Full disclosure, I used to hate oatmeal. I only knew the packets. It was mushy. It was watery. It was no flavor. It was disgusting. I started to incorporate oatmeal into my diet with overnight oats. That was my first adventure into the oatmeal world, and I loved it. But I truly think there's nothing better than a hot oatmeal bowl in the morning. I'm gonna miss it when I go back to school. I don't have time in the morning to make it. Once school starts, that'll be my weekend treat, but I will continue with my overnight oats once I go back to school. So I'm here today to share with you my awesome oatmeal recipes. But you might be thinking, what is so great about oatmeal? Why do you have it all the time? What are the health benefits? Well, oatmeal has fiber, and Dr. Greger, who is a leading plant-based doctor, I will link down below a couple of his books. He has How Not to Die, How Not to Diet, and his newest book is How to Survive a Pandemic. Pretty relevant right now. Anyways, he says if half of the population had a bowl of oatmeal in the morning and increased their fiber intake, we could cut off billions of dollars from our healthcare system just in constipation related issues alone. Fiber is something that we all need to get, and less than 3% of the US population gets the daily recommended fiber. That's less than 3% gets the recommended fiber. That's insane. That means out of 100 people, only 3 people are getting enough fiber in their diet. Now, where do you get fiber from? Only plant. Fiber is only found in plant food, and it is definitely found in oatmeal. Now, there's lots of different kinds of oatmeal. There's steel cut oats, there's groat, there's rolled oats, there's instant oats. Steel cut oats are really good. I make those in the Instapot, and that will come in another video. Today I'm going to be focusing on rolled oats, and they are definitely my favorite. Now, health benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal will slow down your digestion when you have it in the morning, which will increase your satiety and decrease your appetite, and who does not want that? Oatmeal also is full of antioxidants, which will decrease chronic inflammation, which is a leading cause of a lot of diseases, and it can lower your LDL cholesterol. There's a ton of health benefits for oatmeal, and it's delicious. So why not give oatmeal a try? Maybe substitute your eggs and bacon or eggs that you have in the morning and try oatmeal instead. Now, one little asterisk. The second oatmeal bowl that I'm going to make, I do put chocolate chips in it, and I do have chocolate and peanut butter spread on top. Now, that is obviously high in calories. I don't have that like very often anymore. You can have that as a special treat. If you're not watching your calories, go for it. It's really good for kids. My son loves oatmeal when I put his chocolate chips in it. So if you have a young kid who you want to get to eat oats, but doesn't really like them, try the chocolate chips. Or if you don't have vegan chocolate chips, you can use cocoa powder. I will link down below the type of vegan chocolate chips that we use in this house. You can get them on Amazon. You can also find them out at Walmart. But I'll link those below. But as you will see in the video, my son loves this oatmeal because of the chocolate. So it makes it super chocolatey. Just know that those chocolate chips do add calories. So if you're watching your calories, you may want to go for the first oatmeal bowl. But they are both delicious, both creamy, both healthy, both nutritious, both very satisfying. And I hope you love these two recipes. And as always, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. Let me know in the comments if you love oatmeal and what your opinions of oatmeal are and what you would like to see in future videos. Let's get to the recipes. Alright, so today I'm going to show you day 1 of breakfast, and it's my favorite. It is oatmeal. I'm going to start with about 3/4 cup of rolled oats. I always use organic as well. And then I always cook my oats in almond milk or plant-based milk. It just makes it super creamy. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of almond milk. And then I stir that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it on the stove. I'm going to cook it until all the milk has evaporated, and I will show you what I do after that. And once all of the milk has evaporated, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my bowl. Again, I always cook with plant milk for my oatmeal. It just makes it so much creamier. I've tried the water. Yes, it saves calories, but I just love the plant milk. I usually use almond milk for that. And once I have that, I never eat this plain. I'm going to make today a peanut butter and jelly oatmeal. Today I'm going to use Field Day Organic strawberry spread. A lot of times I make my own jam, chia jam. I just don't have any on hand right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stir that. And then I'm going to add some, and that was I used 1 tablespoon of the jam. You can add as much or as little as you want depending on taste. Makes it super creamy. Then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add some PB Fit. The powder, again, you can use normal peanut butter. And I'm going to do a heaping teaspoon of this. This just makes it, save some calories. It still tastes like peanut butter, makes it super creamy. My favorite thing to top it with, raspberries. Again, you can top this with whatever fruit you like. I just love raspberries. They're my absolute favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and top it with some raspberries. Some sliced strawberries. These are organic strawberries. I buy organic whenever I can. So a lot of times this depends on what fruit we have on hand. A lot of times we don't have the fresh strawberries, like I said, because he devours them. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it with some fresh blueberries. And these are fresh picked blueberries that my son and I picked a week ago. So we know that those are good. And the last thing that I'm going to add is a little bit of flaxseed. Flaxseed from Aldi's, it's milled flaxseed. I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of on top. And there you have it. This is a delicious oatmeal bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and I will take a bite. And so here you have it. You have your peanut butter and jelly oatmeal bowl. I've already kind of mixed it up a little bit. You want to mix the fruit in with the oatmeal. Take a bite. You always, at least I always get some fresh fruit with every oatmeal bite. I mean, so good. It's so creamy. Growing up, I hated oatmeal because all I knew were the little packets with water, and I think they're disgusting. If you cook it with plant-based milk, if you cook it on your own, if you add stuff to it, it's so good. It's so healthy for you. There's very few mornings that I start my day with anything but oatmeal. If I'm going to work, I'll make overnight oatmeal. But I gotta tell you, with school starting up again, the one thing I'm gonna miss a lot is having a nice hot bowl of oatmeal every morning, because I've been doing this for, 7 months now. So this is delicious. Give this a try, and this is breakfast option day 1. Hey guys, today we're gonna do our second oatmeal bowl. This one is a chocolate peanut butter oatmeal bowl. It is delicious. I'm going to be throwing some vegan chocolate chips in, and I will link down below the type of vegan chocolate chips that we use. If you don't have vegan chocolate chips, you can obviously use some cocoa powder if you would like, or if you're not vegan, just throw some regular chocolate chips in there. But this is super creamy, super delicious, great for kids. And this is one that is, for me, only a special treat, but I thought I would share it with you guys so you guys can enjoy this as well. So let's get into the recipe. So we're going to start the same way we started the other one. We'll do, today I'm going to do about a cup, because I'm not sure if my son's going to eat it or not. So we'll do a cup of rolled oats, and then we're going to add about a cup and a half of oat milk, or not oat milk, almond milk. Any plant-based milk will do. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that on the stove. And again, you're going to cook that until the milk evaporates and it's just a very creamy oatmeal. And then I'll show you how to add the toppings. this is what it should look like when it's done. And I'm gonna go ahead and split this between 2 bowls because my son is gonna have some. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the peanut butter, PB2. And then to make it chocolatey, about a tablespoon of chocolate chips. And then just go ahead and mix everything together. And you can't see him on camera, but my son is adding more chocolate chips to his oatmeal, which he does not need to do. So step away from the chocolate chips, because you're going to get chocolate drizzle on it. I will, however, ask him what fruit he wants on it. So Sawyer, what fruit do you want?
Blueberry.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mix his too. His is going to be super chocolatey because he just added a whole nother handful. But I guess it's a good way to get your kids to eat oatmeal because it's super healthy for them. No more chocolate chips. Get your hand out of the cookie jar. Now, of course, you can taste this to see how chocolatey you want it. No, it's not done yet, bud. You can add more chocolate chips. If you want to add a couple more chocolate chips to the top, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to top mine. I'm going to top mine with my favorite fruit, which is fresh raspberries. And my son just stole the blueberries, but those are not all for you. Okay? Raspberries are my favorite fruit to put on oatmeal. And then I'm going to go add, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some blueberries. These are fresh picked blueberries. And I'm going to go add, and I'm going to top some bananas with it.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to put...
That's all you know.
Okay. Alright, and then the last step, just to kick this up a notch, I melted some vegan chocolate chips, and then this was just 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips with 1 tablespoon of water. And I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some chocolate drizzle to it. And then because I love peanut butter, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drizzle some peanut butter over it. I will do it in a second. And there you have it. A chocolate peanut butter oatmeal bowl. This looks so delicious. I cannot wait to dive into this.
Okay, go ahead.
Is it good? Thank you so much for watching this video. In the comments below, let me know if you tried any of these recipes, if you like them. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you have any awesome oatmeal recipes yourself that you think that I should try, let me know in the comments. And as always, please like this video, subscribe this video. And Sawyer would like to say thank you as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.